Hello, beautiful. How are you today? Thank you so much for being here, for hitting that like button and the subscribe button. If you are not already a part of my family, I am very happy to have you, and a warm welcome to everyone who already is a subscriber. I thank you so much. I appreciate you being here. And if you like what you see today, then go ahead and hit that notification bell. That will let you know the next time new content is uploaded. And for all the beautiful comments that you leave in the comment section below, it means the world to me. So today I just wanted to touch quickly on our hair. Our hair is definitely part of beauty. It is something that I have been passionate about for many years. And I actually, when I was a little girl, I wanted to have my own salon. I wanted to do hair, and I love the color of permanent solution, and it just, the idea, I love hair. So anyways, I have long hair and I just had it colored the other day. So there's a bunch of stuff that I've been doing with my hair and whatnot. But one of the most important things to remember is to protect our hair, especially with all the different heating tools that we use, from the blow dryer to hot rollers to straightening iron to whatever it is. All that heat can damage our hair and cause breakage and split ends, and then it ends up not looking very pretty. And of course, with breakage, that just means a loss of volume and all of that jazz. So I actually went online and found a couple of different products. They range anywhere from about $10 Canadian to around $50 Canadian. So of course it's going to be just that little bit less in American dollars. And basically all you do, and I always do this when I have wet hair, just so that you can go ahead and like absorb it into your hair. You mush your hair together. I'll just show you actually. This that I'm using is by Alterna, and it is Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. That's a lot of words. And I'm doing this without my glasses, but you know what? It's because of the lighting. It just allows me to be able to see a little bit better. So that is awesome. So when you use something like this, always give it a good shake. I always do that with any liquid product that isn't really soapy. Obviously that would just create a whole bunch of bubbles and whatnot, and that's not ever fun. But I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this all over my hair. And it smells really pretty, actually. All right, so that's probably pretty good. I can actually feel the difference in my hair. It just leaves a kind of a silky feeling. So I'm just gonna kind of scrunch my hair just to make sure that this stuff gets evenly distributed. So I'm actually gathering it up at the back and like rolling it into itself and mooshing. And this is something that I will do every time I wash my hair, so that it protects it, like I say, from the hair dryer and absolutely everything else. So I am going to go and blow dry my hair and style it. I'm actually on my way out. It's a girlfriend's birthday party tonight, and I'm ready to celebrate with her. Have a couple of bubbles. I love bubbles. She loves bubbles, so it's all good. And so I'll show you the completed look, and I hope that you guys are having a fabulous day, whatever day of the week it might be. Today is Tips and Tricks Tuesday, so thank you so much for joining me. I will be back in just a sec. All right, so I'm back. I've completed my hair for today, and obviously you cannot see the effects and whatnot, but I know that my hair feels safe. It was protected from the heat, both from my blow dryer and from my my curling iron that I used, and it feels good knowing that I protected my hair. So I hope this helps. Thank you again so much for being here, and remember, ladies, I am enough. I love you, and I will see you in my next upload.